Created on the 27th of August 1991, Enugu State was officially carved out of old Anambra State. But long before 1991, the region had already made its mark in history. In 1909, coal was discovered in the Udi Hill area. The discovery transformed the region into Nigeria's industrial center. By 1916, a railway connecting Enugu to Port Harcourt opened, accelerating growth and migration. Welcome to Enugu State, the beating heart of Nigeria's southeast, a land of rolling hills, sacred waterfalls, ancient tradition, warm people, and a proud history built on coal, culture, and creativity. Today we journey into Enugu State, its origin, its culture, its festivals, its attractions, and the spirit that makes it one of Nigeria's most beloved states. What began as a mining outpost became a bustling regional capital, a center of administration, commerce, education, tech, and Igbo culture. In 1991, it became a full-fledged state with Enugu City at its capital. Enugu State covers about 2,534 square kilometers of hills, plain, forests, cave, and farmlands. The people are predominantly Igbo, warm, welcoming, and deeply rooted in tradition. The state is divided into 17 local government areas, namely Aninri, Ngwo, Enugu East, Enugu North, Enugu South, Eziagu, Igbo Etiti, Igbo Eze North, Igbo Eze South, Isiuzo, Nkanu East, Nkanu West, Nsukka, Oji River, Udenu, Udi, and Ozowani local government area. Politically, Enugu State is divided into 3 senatorial zones: Enugu East, Enugu West, and Enugu North. Each zone has its unique customs, dialects, and natural attractions, together forming a united and a culturally vibrant state. Culture is the soul of Enugu. Its people preserve their traditions through music, dance, crafts, and ceremonies. In Enugu State, culture is not just celebrated, it is lived. From language to family system and festivals, everything reflects a deep respect for ancestry. Igbo language thrives here, passed from generation to generation. Respect for elders, community unity, and hospitality. These values define life across the 17 local government areas of the state. Enugu State calendar is filled with festivals, each with deep meaning. The New Yam Festival, Iriji, is the most celebrated. It marks the end of farming season and the beginning of harvest, with masquerades, dance, feasting, and blessing, the festival symbolizes gratitude and prosperity. Another striking cultural expression in Enugu State is the Iwakwa Festival and Masquerade Festival. Every community has its masquerades, guardians of the land, entertainers, warriors, and storytellers. When the masquerade dances, it carries the voice of our ancestors. Enugu State is also becoming a national and cultural hub, hosting concerts, art festivals, and conferences. Enugu State is a home of tourism and scenic landmarks, from waterfalls to lakes, caves, and hills. The Ohon Waterfall, mystical, spiritual, and breathtaking, a natural wonder and pilgrimage destination surrounded by caves and lush forests. The Udi and Ngwo hills stretch across the state like ancient guardians. They offer a panoramic view of the land once rich in coal and still rich in stories. The Nike Lake Resort, a peaceful sanctuary for leisure, wedding, tourism, and events. When it comes to tourism, Enugu is a state second to none. It is also home to the tranquil and enchanting Ngwo pine forest, cave, and waterfall. Other tourist attractions in the state include the Eziago Tourist Complex, ideal for eco-tourism, home to the famous Iheneke Lake, Obagada Spring and Waterfall, and Ihurezi Cave. Others include Omo Spring, Oso Waterfall, Obiaroho Waterfall, Adada River, Opi Lake System, Aniozala Lake, Melikin Hill, among many others. With so much natural beauty, Enugu State is poised to become a major tourism powerhouse, not just in Nigeria, but Africa at large. Enugu's economy balances agriculture, commerce, services, and mineral resources. Agriculture is central, with yams, cassava, maize, okra, rice, oil palm, and cocoyam feeding millions. Industries and SMEs thrive here. Coal once built Enugu's foundation, but today the focus is diversification, using the land, culture, and creativity to build the future. The state government oversees development across the 17 local government areas of the state. As of today, the governor of Enugu State is Governor Ndubisi Peter Mba, who assumed office in May 2023. His administration focuses on agricultural modernization, tourism development, creative industry expansion, road infrastructure, education, and digital innovation, with the goal to make Enugu a hub of investment, culture, and opportunities. Enugu State is more than a place. It is a feeling, a blend of old and new, a bridge between heritage and aspiration, a land where hills whispers history and waterfalls promises future. The state's culture, natural beauty and resilient people makes it a treasure in Nigeria. This is Enugu, a state filled with amazing people, a land of stories, a land of pride, a land of endless beauty. From its hills to its festivals, from its villages to its capital city, Enugu stands tall, always growing, always rising, always welcoming. Whether you come as a tourist, a student, an investor, or simply as a lover of culture, Enugu greets you with open arms. This is Enugu, the coal city state. Welcome. No. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and hit the subscribe button. See you in my next video.